so dope. And the footwells. And we'll look at the glove box. That's so sick. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome back to Tesla's Wild. My name is Colin. If you're new here, please consider liking and subscribing below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It truly means the world to me. One quick reminder, there's a comment pinned below with timestamps so you can hop through the video and view the portions most relevant to you. So what do we have for you today? Some more Tesla goodies. A new company is in the game of the Tesla Model 3 accessories market. It's called Unique Style Racing. Now, a couple weeks ago, I installed some new LEDs on my car. I'll card it up here. Shortly after installing those lights and posting that video, this company reached out to me saying, hey, we're releasing some new LED lights and we want you to check them out. We believe them to be the brightest in the industry, and we also offer a variety of really cool colors. They wanted me to do an install and review on all of these and compare them to the previous lights that I've installed, which I thought was a really good idea because there's so many different ones on the market, so we can see kind of how they compare. So I had them send me primarily the pink because why not? Let's be bold, be big or go home, whatever the saying is. I don't really care. So we're going to install all of these, see how they all look, compare them to the BougeRV as well as the original Tesla OEM lights. What we're also going to do is I had them send me some specifications as to different power draws that from these different kind of lights. This is something that I failed to cover in my previous video, so I had the manufacturer and the seller send me some kind of specifications on the power draw and how they impact efficiency and that sort of stuff. So if this sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned and we'll get on installing these really cool new lights. Alright, so here's the package from Unique Style Racing. I came prepared this time with the handy dandy scissors. The scissors from 1942 are still missing. I really don't know where they went. I think they're gone, unfortunately. So we're gonna get this all opened up, and it looks like they definitely sent some more than just the lights. I believe these are the lights. Look at that. Okay, so they sent an absolutely full set of their white, which is pretty awesome, and pink as well, I believe. Okay, so yeah, it looks like we have maybe 6 regular white and 9 pink. So very hard to tell the difference. You can just kind of tell by the color of the LEDs inside. Nice reusable grocery bag and a bunch of stickers. All right, so back to these lights. I've done installs of the puddle lights on both of the driver's and passenger side door. They project the 3 on the ground, and my previous LED light install. So I'm not going to show a lot of the install because I've shown this plenty of times before. What I do want to show is a direct comparison between the BougeRV lights and the Unique Style Racing lights. So, and then I'll do a side-by-side comparison in the trunk, which is where I installed the BougeRV lights. So, all right, so thank you to whoever in the last video suggested that I should tape the flathead before removing these lights so that you don't scratch up the vehicle. That was a good call. All right, so just for any of you that do not know how to take these out, I'm going to demonstrate one here. So, on the puddle lights, this is my taped one. There is a little notch on the right-hand side of this guy, and you can just pry the screwdriver under there and just slowly pry it out. Very easy to get out. When you do pull it out, it does cause the door to, the window to do something, roll up or something like that, but very easy to get out. We have all of the lights removed in the footwells and the puddle lights, so we're gonna get some of the pink ones installed. So I believe they are the full set of 9 of them right here. I'm gonna start with the passenger side footwell here. Oh man, we just pushed them into place, which was pretty tough last time. Again, it is a 1-to-1 plug. Just plug it on in, and the door goes back into place. God, those are sick. And just push them on in. And these actually seat in there well. So unlike those earlier Amazon ones, these fit really well and just go right in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of their white LED ones and compare it directly to the BougeRV ones, which are in the trunk here. Sick. Okay, so yes, have the BougeRV ones in each of these locations. These are very loose in there, so I'm just going to pop that out. There we go. Ooh. All right, so on the right is Unique Style Racing. On the left is BougeRV. They are very, very close. I think, I do think that Unique Style Racing is whiter and brighter. These are definitely brighter. Alright, so the first comparison that I want to show here is the Tesla OEM versus BougeRV. So I do have the Tesla OEM on the left side and the BougeRV on the right side. So you can see there is a massively noticeable difference in brightness between the two. Alright, so now we have Unique Style Racing on the right and Tesla OEM on the left. Definitely concluding that Unique Style Racing is by far the brightest. Alright, so we now have both the Unique Style Racing and the BougeRV lights installed. The right is Unique Style Racing, the left is BougeRV. So from this perspective, you can definitely get an idea that the Unique Style Racing is definitely whiter and brighter.
Pink trunk here.
So if you're super blind like me, these will benefit you greatly. And get it on in. Ooh, whoa, wait a minute. That's gold. Okay, so we are, instead of gonna do bright white, we're gonna use some of their colored lights for the back. So each of the colors are marked with this dot on the bottom. Okay. Haha. That is dope. Okay, so a couple of conclusions. The Unique Style Racing lights are definitely brighter. Oh, those are so sick. Definitely less harsh than the white. Okay, I would like to show you guys what the blue lights look like as well, because I didn't know they were going to send all three to me. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to install the blue light in the glove box. Because why not? Not a long cable on this guy. Why will you not come out? There's not a lot of room to work in here. Oh, motherfucker. Okay, getting the blue light in. Oh, so sick. Wow. Okay, got that. This one just pushes right in. Oh, that's so dope. Wow, okay. These things look so sick. So dope. And the footwells. And we'll look at the glove box. Oh, that's so sick. And in here. And we'll do the trunk. That is so dope. Alright, so we just got done installing all of the new lights on the Tesla Model 3 from Unique Style Racing. We installed a lot of them. We installed the gold with the pink, the white, did a comparison to the BougeRV lights as you guys saw. I love them. They certainly add a unique flavor to your Tesla, whatever color you want to go with. One last quick note about the Unique Style Racing lights is they were by far the easiest to install and very easy to remove. The others I've kind of struggled, especially getting the BougeRV lights out. I definitely broke one, as you guys can see here. It was just, yeah, very difficult to get out of there for whatever reason. I think they're just a little bit bigger. So really happy with these lights. Really great company as well. So as I said, these are $19.99 and they are from Unique Style Racing. They did give me a discount code to give all of you. So make sure if you go and buy these lights to use my discount code of Tesla's Wild. What I want to go over at this point is kind of what do these do to power draw and efficiency in the vehicle? They contacted their manufacturer and got an idea of what these increase the power draw of the vehicle by. So I'm going to post their email right here and kind of go over it with all of you. So as we can see, a standard vehicle has about a 65 amp draw. We can see that a small standard LED light draws about 0.05 amps. The Tesla OEM lights draw about 0.075 amps. Now, these LEDs from Unique Style Racing pull 0.15 amps. So as we can see, they are double. They are composed of a lot more LEDs, which is why they are so much brighter. So overall, the Tesla OEM lights with 9 of those accounts for about 1% of the total power draw within the vehicle. So power draw can be anything from the screen to the windows to the locks to the cameras. Anything like that is drawing power from the battery. So we're saying 1% of the overall power draw is from 9 OEM Tesla lights. Now, the Unique Style Racing lights are double the power draw, which means that they'll be pulling about 2%. So this is basically negligible. It will decrease your efficiency, but we're talking about decimals here. And for increased visibility and quite a cool customization that you can do to your Tesla, I don't mind at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These lights are awesome. Again, use my discount code TESLASWILD in their website at checkout. They're $19.99 for a set. Really, really cool, great lights. And they're going to be coming out with a lot of new Tesla Model 3 products. Make sure you stay tuned for those videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below. It truly means the world to me. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you guys next video.